Welcome to Enots Engineering. I'm Alan. In today's video I'm trying to repair a cross-cut paper shredder. This doesn't have a brand name on it, so I've no idea who made it. We see some of the problems with the shredder after cleaning it out. We also see some smoke and some sparks. So let's go into the workshop and see how we do it. This is my paper shredder, and for some reason it stopped working. So today I want to find out what's wrong with it and whether I can save it. It shreds the paper into very small pieces like confetti rather than the strips that you get, and it's about 5 years old. I can't see a manufacturer's name on it, so let's take the cover off and see if we can find out what's wrong. First we'll check the fuse in the plug. I've removed the back of the plug and taken out the fuse. And to test the fuse, I'll use my multimeter set to ohms. Now to test that, if I hold the two probes together, it should read 0. So I know that's working. And if this is a good fuse, it should read 0. Nothing at all. So that shows that that fuse has already blown. I'll take a new fuse. This one is a 3 amp fuse, and I'll set that in the plug. But first I'll test the new fuse just in case it's not working. And you can see 0 on the meter. So that's a good fuse. So let's go back to the shredder. What I want to do is just turn this over. On this side there are 6 screws I have to take out. One there, 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 there and there. Now these screws are deep, so you need a long screwdriver. Once you've removed the screws, you should be able to lift the cover off the back. And also if you lift the unit up, it should come out the case. And now's a good time to check that there are no pieces of paper jammed in the mechanism. Now what I did is plugged it in and switched it on. Nothing happened. The motor didn't turn. And when I checked the fuse, it had blown the fuse again. What I think is the motor's jammed or the gears are jammed, causing the fuse to blow. What I want to do is take this panel off the end so I can separate the gears and see if the motor will run on its own and if the shredding part will run on its own. I was going to strip the gearbox down here, but the screws have been sealed and I won't be able to get those out to take the gears off. Now I've cleaned all the paper out of the slots on each side, put the power on, and the motor works. Let's see if I can show you that. You can see sparks coming from the motor brushes. It doesn't sound too good either. You see the motor's smoking now. You see it's just jammed up again, smoke coming out the motor. So I don't know what's causing that. Yeah, that motor's hot. To replace the motor would probably cost more than buying a new shredder. Now it's cooled down again, so I'll try the motor again. You can see sparks coming from the back of the motor where the brushes are. Probably with the motor and the postage, probably costs more than another one. So I'm going to say this has defeated me. Yeah, you can smell that motor's struggling to turn that, or even I can't see the brushes on the motor, so maybe they've worn. Oh well, this one's beat me. An unmarked cross-cut shredder. The motor's burnt out. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it and I hope it was useful. and we'll see you next time on Enots Engineering.